With SWOP, we work with leaders in various institutions throughout the community, churches, schools, mosques, hospitals, etc. Lots of the work that we spearheaded in 2008 was beginning to work with youth that weren't tapped into as leaders and begin to give them the tools necessary to alter certain circumstances that they live in and become agents of their own empowerment. We initially began with after-school programs, and it was very much an initiative to start to work by just being present in their lives on a day-to-day basis. So working with them 3 hours after school. We work around housing, education, immigration, health, and safety, and really providing them with the knowledge to work on those issues as young people.
Let's do with the MENA, what you thought about that meeting?
I thought that the meeting was pretty productive, and we also invited one of the health coordinators, a part of SWOP.
I think it's a good thing. I think we're in a step in the right direction, for sure.
In the program, we offer homework help for about like an hour, hour and a half. My role has always been being a mentor and being a friend, building genuine relationships with young people in the neighborhood. We try to connect them to different resources that they need, and overall we try to provide them with a space where they can feel safe, where they can express themselves and really learn from each other.
I was thinking about outside. I just spoke what I know.
Every young person has their own problems, their own struggles. There's no recipe for engaging every young person. And so I think what keeps young people engaged with the work that we try to do is the genuine trust and the respect that we offer.
How they view young people, or the respect that they give young people in those kinds of conversations, sometimes is completely different than what you are used to, right?
It's a wanting to connect to the previous generation, it's a wanting to feel like what they're feeling is something that's communal, that what they're experiencing is universal. And I think that becomes very much the heart of the work, is them recognizing their own location, their own purpose within a space, and being able to see within themselves their capacity to make a difference.